why does the blue tea have wheels? Oh, the blue tea does have wheels. And there's even a piece of string on the back of it. Wait, Kay, what do you think you're doing? Okay. Take 48, people. Cut. We have a different letter. Here we go with the different letters again. Just like in movies. M! Oh, I'm just Kay's replacement because Kay is at the movies with Green Pea Head, Little Viacom, and Crumbles because they're gonna watch the Angry Birds movie too. Whee! My turn. Woohoo! Oh well, we'll just wait for Kay to come back and then we'll do take 4. Cuddy Cut, what is CBS doing here? You do have a reason, don't you? Whoa, 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 can you please stop? Anyways, take 16. Wait a second. Cuddy Cut Cut. Why did you cut 3 times? We made another color blooper. What do you mean we made another color blooper? You guys and the word TVO have the HBO Kids colors. Okay, this time you get to swap us back. Okay, let's get me to swap you guys back to normal and then take 14. Cut. Now who's peeking out?
I am Tara, and I am the...
Let me guess. Producer replacer? Just like how Ho tried to replace uppercase U in movie 3?
Well, you see, D, I am the clapperboard guy!
Wow, I didn't notice that we're gonna have a clapperboard guy. Anyways, take 4. Cut. Why does O have an eye? Because I accidentally made him alive. It's okay. Make him not alive and then we'll do take 18. Cut. We made another color blooper. Wow. Just wow. Well, which colors are we on? The Phineas and Ferb colors. Looks pretty much like Fox Kids to me. Well, the T and V are not red, so... Anyway, change the colors back to normal, and then we'll do take 32. Cut. We made a color blooper again. What is that supposed to mean? You guys are all red. Wow, I never knew I looked so nice in this color.
Sup, peoples?
Who the heck are you, and why are you here?
I am Rye, and I'll be the helper.
Didn't realize we're gonna have a helper, although he might not be useful. Anyways, take 59. Oh, cut. Now what? We made another style blooper. What do you mean? You guys are in object form. Oh, oops. It's okay, D. Also, you changed my style, too. Turn us back to normal, and then we'll do take 47.
Cut! We made another language blooper. Now what language are we in this time? What, then? Who's responsible for this? Oh, oops. It's okay, Ronald. We'll just wait for the others to leave the studio, and then we'll do take 3.
Cut. Why does it say almost the end? Because it's... because what? Oh, I get it. Because it's almost the end. Anyway, let's go to take 62 to end it all off. What does it say? It says, Dear Letters, I would like to see you make TVO Kids logo bloopers 3. Love, regular TVO. Okay.